This is going to be an unboxing of a 7-piece round storage container set by Chef's Path. And one thing I do want to point out is every one of their containers have this cool warning label, and I've already taken mine off, but you can see once you remove it, it prints void on there. So that's to make sure that no one has contaminated these containers before they get to use. So that's kind of a cool thing that Chef's Path does with all of their containers. And if this set isn't right for you, they have a lot of different types of containers and sets that they make. And if this set isn't right for you, you'll find one that is, I promise. But this is specifically the round container set. And you can see what you have here. This is a nice round container. And we've got 7 of these. So let's pull these all out and then we'll take a look at how they work. This is number 2, which is another one of the same size. Number 3, this is a taller one, really tall one. Could be good for pasta and stuff. 1.8 liter on that one. Got a nice, really small one here. And got a medium size one here. I see, beans or something could be stored in there. You've got this nice small one here. And you've got another medium sized one here. So in this container, you're getting basically 2 of these medium size, 1.1 container, 1.1 liter I should say. You're getting 2 of these smaller size, 0.4 liters. You're getting 2 of the in-between size, which are 0.75 liters. And then you get 1 of the really tall kind, which would be great for pasta or something like that. And this is a 1.8 liter. And you can see every one of these are leak lock, 100% leak proof. They preserve food, dishwasher safe. Easily stackable, BPA free. But these are really cool. They're really easy to get that airtight seal. You just lift this up and you can see they have that rubber ring around there, and you put that on there and you can see when I push that down, that pulls in and that locks it so that it's not coming off, as well as giving you that airtight seal, which is really great. Now this one, you might have noticed, has something in it. Chef's Path, almost always they include bonuses in with their containers. And in this particular set, you're getting this bonus little, looks like a teaspoon set, measuring spoon set. And they like to include little gifts like that with their containers. They almost always include a bonus gift. And so in this one, this is the bonus gift that came with it. You're not really paying for that. That's just a little bonus gift that you get. But great containers. Let's take this one off. Now in this one, you're going to find some instructions and stuff that they always include in with their stuff. But the one thing that they always include with every one of their container sets is this. And that is chalkboard labels with a white chalkboard marker. And what this allows you to do, allows you to put a label on any of these containers, one of these labels, and then use this white chalkboard marker to write on there what's in the container or what that container should be used for. And because it's a chalkboard marker, you can wipe it off. If you change your mind, you can wipe it off and then rewrite something new. So they include this with every one of their container sets. So really nice bonus that they always include with any of their storage container sets. But anyway, this is what you get in this set. Easy to lock that down and make it airtight, and you get your full 7-piece round container set for all your storage needs, and that's everything that comes in the box.